Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Experiencing a blank screen or no signal from your PlayStation 5 can be incredibly frustrating, right? Often, the main culprit for this kind of problem is a damaged HDMI port. We're talking about those tiny, delicate pins inside the connector itself. But don't worry too much just yet. We're going to carefully guide you through some important steps to help you diagnose what's happening and what you might be able to do. First things first, let's start with the basics. Always try swapping out your HDMI cable for a brand new one, or at least one you know works. A faulty cable is surprisingly often the problem. Then, try plugging your PlayStation 5 into a different TV or monitor altogether. This helps confirm it's not just an issue with your display. Finally, do a complete power cycle. Unplug your PlayStation 5 and all its cables for a good 5 minutes. Then plug everything back in. Okay, if those initial steps didn't help, it's time for a careful visual inspection. First, make absolutely sure your PlayStation 5 is completely powered off and unplugged from everything. Then, grab a flashlight and carefully look inside the HDMI port. You're checking specifically for any bent, broken, or missing pins. If you spot a pin that's only slightly bent, you might very gently try to realign it with a tiny tool. Just be incredibly careful, as these pins are extremely fragile. Now, if your visual inspection reveals broken or missing pins, or if multiple pins are severely bent, it's almost certainly time to seek professional help. Trying to fix something like that yourself, without the right tools and soldering skills, can unfortunately cause even more damage. Your best bet is to search for a reputable console repair shop, ideally one that specializes in micro-soldering. They'll have the expertise to properly replace the port and get your PlayStation 5 back up and running. To avoid future HDMI port issues, careful handling is absolutely key. Always insert and remove your HDMI cable gently, ensuring it goes straight in and comes straight out. Never yank the cable, or let your console hang precariously from it, as that puts huge stress on the port. Also, a quick, gentle blast of compressed air into the port every now and then can help prevent dust buildup. These small steps truly extend the life of your PlayStation 5's HDMI port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.